With Aweber's Smart Content element, you can add a lot of different things to your landing page. You can add things like YouTube, Twitch, SoundCloud, Flickr, and much, much more. Check out the link in the description for a more complete list. All you need to do is drag the Smart Content element in. In this case, we'll grab our YouTube playlist URL. We'll paste it in here. So now our landing page visitors can not only play the video we have embedded, but also click over right inside the viewer to check out the different videos in the playlist. So go ahead, try this in your account today. And if you don't have an Aweber account yet, don't worry, it's absolutely free to sign up. Until next time.